Hi guys! Malalaki na yung ating seedlings guys. Magtatanim tayo uli guys. Pwede na to i-transplant. At meron tayong nahandang pagtaniman guys. Eto guys, so. Yung iba doon natin itanim sa alulud. Yan guys, sa taas. Lagyan lang natin ng dito guys, so. Lagyan lang natin ng screen para hindi kainin ng ibon. Ayan guys, nag-prepare na tayo ng seedlings para meron tayong pangpalit kaagad. In case maubos na yung ating tinanim, meron na tayong naka-prepare na pangpalit. Ayan lang guys. Thank you for watching. Let's enjoy gardening. Let's make it a hobby. Thank you everyone. Ating guys. Kunin natin ang squash blossom. Sana mamunga na rin yung ating squash guys. Thank you for watching. Just enjoy gardening. Our ampalaya is ready na guys. Pwede na siguro natin yan i-harvest guys. So. Lagyan natin ng itlog or pork, anything. Thank you everyone. Just enjoy gardening. Ayun na guys, tatanim natin sila dito guys. Para meron tayong harvesting pagdating ng araw. Yan siya guys. Thank you for watching. Guys, then takpan natin guys para hindi siya malanta sa init ng araw. Thank you everyone. Bye. Yan siya guys. Nakatanim na tayo ng 2 pots. Till next time, thank you for watching.